GAT Flow is a bulk action user management tool, and with it you can run workflows over small or large groups of users on your domain. But you can also use it to make quick ad hoc changes on the go when you need to. In this guide, we'll show you how to make quick changes to the chat spaces on your domain. We'll start off in the GAT Flow tool, which you can reach using the app launcher. Now select the domain section and then choose the chats area. In the chats area, you can quickly and easily manage your chat spaces. You can also create a new chat space from here using the new chat option. I'll just be modifying an existing chat in this video. To do that, I'll have to select the pencil icon on the right side of the chat space. In this case, I'll be choosing the IT support chat space. Here in the General tab, you can see all the details for your chat space, including the name, description, and the type. Below that, you can also add guidelines. The next tab, called Members, allows you to manage the members in the chat space. If you need help finding members in a large chat space, you can make use of the Filters row to help pinpoint your search. In this guide, I'll be removing some members, adding 2 new members, and changing their role in the chat space. To remove members, I'll hover over the users and select the bin icon, which will mark that member for removal. I've marked these 2 users for removal. And now I'll add 2 more users by selecting the Add Member button twice, which will add 2 new entries. Select the red pencil icon to edit the member. I'll now enter the email of the users I want to add as members for both entries. I want to set user C here as the owner of the chat space, and I also want to assign user D here as a manager of that chat. To do that, I can select the pencil icon in the role column for that entry and then select the appropriate role. That looks good to me. But before I proceed with updating this chat space, I can take a quick look at the Settings tab, which will let you view and manage the chat space's settings, such as the predefined settings, the access level, and the permissions. Make sure to check over these settings to ensure they are set correctly for your configuration. Once you're ready, select Update. Now your changes have been made. And that concludes this GAT Flow guide. Thanks for watching.